In this video, I will show you a basic kombucha recipe. The kombucha will be forest flavored, so I will add to the kombucha some bilberries or European blueberries and spruce needles. This recipe is for a 2-liter or half a gallon glass container, so at first we boil about 1.8 liters of water, so a little bit less than the container size. Once the water is boiling, we cool it down a bit before adding 5 teaspoonfuls of green tea and 150 grams of sugar. Mix it well. To be able to prepare kombucha, you need to have some kombucha and a piece of scoby. Scoby is a layer that forms on top of the glass container after a few days of fermentation. So, to cool down the preparation, we can place it in the sink with cold water. When it's slightly warm to the touch, we pour it into the jar with the help of a strainer. Add the old kombucha and scoby to the mix. Cover the jar with a cloth that lets air flow through and place the jar in a warm and slightly ventilated place. Kitchen cupboard is fine. After 2 weeks more or less, prepare 2 bottles, in this case with bilberries and spruce needles. Pour the kombucha into the bottles and don't forget to save some liquid and the scoby. 10% of the preparation is fine, so in this case 180 milliliters or 3/4 of a cup. This liquid with the scoby will be used to prepare the new batch. Next, close the bottles and let them ferment in the cupboard at least 1 more day. Wash the container with hot water but without chemicals. During the whole process, it is very important to use clean utensils and wash hands constantly to avoid contamination of the kombucha. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a look at my other videos as well.